There's Cassie.
Hi. Here we are at our beautiful room, hallway at the OK Boutique Hotel in Phnom Penh, Cambodia.
And there's an OK Palace as well. It's right next door, but we stayed at the OK Boutique.
Yeah.
And here we are. We can't tell you what room number, 1202. And walking in. A quick right to our bathroom. A bunch of plugins. Most of them work. Toilet, paper towels, shower. Got the rainfall shower. Takes a little bit to get the hot water going. Yes, you figured it out.
They use solar, so you do have to turn it on and then walk around, do stuff, get ready, and then you can go in.
Right there. You turn it on over there. Weird too, but hey, we roll with the punches here at Diger Travel Unlimited Crew. Right over here. Yes, he's got the nice closet open. Of storage up there as well. Safe works great. Nice amount of storage for a little space.
Wi-Fi works great. We did have a couple of issues at one point, but actually right now it's working great.
A little bit of a TV. It didn't seem to be a smart TV. Couldn't get much on it. Air conditioning works great. A little fridge down there under the desk works great. They clean the room every day, and they do a heck of a nice job, actually. And I'll swing back around here to the bed and up that way. Nice windows over there, which everything opens. And even in the heat of the day, we have been leaving it open because we get a nice breeze through here. And out to our little balcony, which is little, but it has a tremendous view. The capital city.
Great school right there. You get to see the kids at recess all day. It's so fun.
Yep, playing and carrying on. All the way over to the river, the palace, the river, little tiny table, ashtray if you need one, and back through. Did we miss anything, Kat?
This is actually the double deluxe. And it's in a great location. We've got I was concerned because it's near the museums and the Royal Palace. And I'm thinking, well, that doesn't have a lot of fun stuff to do. Well, apparently that is their entertainment, is at nighttime behind the Royal Palace. Everybody gathers. There's a huge market because everyone sells stuff. Everyone's playing games. Everyone's doing exercising, walking up and down the river. It was completely packed both Saturday and Sunday nights.
Yeah,
so,
it's a blast.
A lot of fun.
Literally thousands and thousands and thousands of people, thousands of vendors.
Yeah.
If you're here during the weekend, migrate that way.
Yes. So.
All right.
Yeah. Okay, so the best part about being on the 12th floor is what we're going to show you right now. Well, first of all right, here's the massage place. So Brian spends a lot of his time here, since he's got a lot of personal care he's got to take care of. So.
Yes, he does. You don't look like this without trying, boys.
All right, but this is the best part. We're only one floor down from the pool and 2 floors down from the breakfast spot. So we'll take you up to the pool and then we're going to go to the breakfast spot.
Let's do it.
Come on.
Roll on.
All right, let's take a look at that.
Here we go. Kaboom. Breathe it in.
All right, so Brian spends a lot of time up here too, in between personal care items that he's doing. But it is great to sit in the pool all day because it has been hot. The last couple of days have been like 100. It's breezy up here and they do have umbrellas, so that's great. And then the pool's awesome. It's just the perfect temperature, cools you off. And the statues are really cool too.
The statues, the view, it's stunning. This is the best pool feature I've ever been in. It's about 7:30 in the morning, probably about 85 degrees, get to 100 as Cassie had said. So we're going to be spending some time up here. Right down there's the river. Great views of everything. Hello, sir. All right, there's a little bar nook over there. Cassie frequents that more than our bar bill should. There we go. And back to that little spot right up there. Right Where in my camera? There it is, my camera. Anyway, right up there. That's where we eat.
That's where we sit.
Great spot.
And we'll show you.
All right, we'll cut to that.
Good morning. How are you today? 12:02.
Yes, Mom.
Thank you.
Good morning. She's reserved our table.
So they've got all the vegetable stuff here, salads, and then my favorite, which is the fruit. I do the hard-boiled eggs. Those are always good.
All right.
They do very similar to our last hotel. So we've got the fried rice with eggs. That's always good. That is deep fried chicken, which is an odd thing for breakfast. Very good. Sweet and sour chicken.
All right.
Mixed vegetables.
People coming along.
Sausage chicken. Oh, the noodles. The noodles are the best.
Let's roll.
Potato gratin.
Looks great. And the last one. There's some soup and some stuff.
French toast.
French
French
toast.
toast today. Woo-hoo. All right. They got the muesli and the cereal. Coffee area.
Donuts and bread. And there it is. Great spot. All right, Cass, what'd you end up with?
Okay, I got the noodles, which I always get, but they did have sweet and sour chicken with vegetables, so that was exciting. And the fruit papaya today, which is really good. Normally I like mango, but the mango here hasn't been great, so.
Yeah.
But it's delicious.
All right.
What'd you get?
I went to the egg station and got scrambled eggs, and then I got some of the ham, some of the fried chicken, some of the noodles that Cassie got, some potatoes au gratin, a spring roll, and then there's some sweet and sour chicken kicking on underneath. They have coffee. They haven't nailed that down. That looks a little dark again, but whatever. It's free. I like that. Orange tang lemonade, not fresh squeezed. Okay, whatever.
Do you want to show the best part about breakfast?
And here's the best part about breakfast. Right out where we just were. It's just another, the best part about this hotel is just all these unbelievable features. Views, decorations, statuary. It's a blast. We're having a blast here. And here we are. Oh, that smells good. Our
Good
beautiful
morning. How are you?
lobby. Good morning. Just shockingly beautiful. Start back here from the elevators where we came in, out. All the woodwork. Oh, boy, you heavenly hunk of man. Anyway, back here to our hotel tour. What do you think, Cass?
I like it here, yes.
Yeah.
Anytime that you go to the front desk and have a question, they need to do a little research. They make you come sit in these areas, and then they'll turn on the air conditioner for you and bring you like tea or something.
Could be a 2-minute question, 2
Yeah.
second question.
So we try to ask a lot of questions.
Yes, we
get
do.
our free tea.
Yes. Yeah, really great service. Got this big dude to welcome you. And right over there is the manager station who has helped us out of a couple things.
Good morning. How are you?
Good morning.
Good morning.
They've been breaking our money down. They've just been very helpful about everything they could be helpful about. Can't say enough good things. All right, out into the outside. What do we got out here? What are we going to find, Cass?
A giant. This might be that same lady from the temple with all the arms.
Well, it could be.
Let's see.
If we're not careful, she'll read that and
No,
tell us
it's
about
not.
it. Oh,
It's
good.
Lord Vishnu.
All our tuk-tuks are out here, ready for business, ready to take you wherever you got to go. Our alleyway, that really is an alleyway. There's just no other way to describe it except that. But it's our alleyway and we like it. And here's our busy street. When it's busy, this is busy.
Yeah, it's nice and calm right now. You could actually cross the street if you wanted.
When it's busy, you got to work to cross it.
Yeah.
That's the street view down down there a couple blocks, a little grittier part of town. We've eaten down there a few times. And then if you keep going down that way to the right, it'll take you to the river. Really good spot of town.
And then right here is the National Museum, and then behind it is the Royal Palace.
Yeah.
So everything's super close by. Okay, we're here at nighttime. It seems to be prime time for this road. I'm standing in the exact same spot where we were earlier. Completely crazy. It took a little bit to get across the road.
Okay, boutique hotel.
Thank you.
With a beautiful hotel in Cambodia. Okay, so thank you so much for coming for your accommodation, and hopefully you can share the video and most people in the world to see our hotel in Cambodia. One is the famous.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Yeah, have a good day.
Thanks for watching this review of our hotel. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and ring the bell. Thanks a lot, travel buddies.